To add fingerprint in Samsung Galaxy S10. Open Settings. From a home screen, swipe up or down from the center of the display to access the apps screen. Tap Settings. Scroll down. Tap Biometrics and Security. Tap Fingerprint. Enter your PIN or password. Tap Add Fingerprint. Scan your fingerprint. Place your finger on the sensor, then lift it off when you feel a vibration. Tap Continue. Get a full scan. Reposition your finger each time to capture the edges of your fingerprint. Tap Done. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.